Does every plant in your house die or look terrible? In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do so your plants can grow, flourish, and look great. It's all coming up. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Warren Oberholser. I'm a local realtor in the East Bay Tri-Valley area in Northern California. My channel's all about helping both buyers and sellers get maximum results for one of their biggest investments, their home. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I post new content regularly. And if this is your first time here, don't worry about taking any notes. I've created a blog just for this video. You'll find a link for it below in the show notes, so just sit back and enjoy. Hot summers and frigid winters are brutal on indoor plants. We would think our indoor plants, being sheltered by Mother Nature's extremes, would live a healthy existence. So it's a bit disheartening when you see your favorite plant has fallen sick. There are several common reasons for indoor plant problems. Some are caused by improper care. Others, such as pests, are not your doing. Let's take a look at the most common causes that stress our indoor plants and what you can do to allow them to live and flourish. We'll begin with watering. Improper watering is one of the biggest causes to an unhealthy plant. Now, this covers both too much or too little water. Those new to growing plants have a tendency to over-nurture them, especially by over-watering. If the plant's foliage is wilting, check the soil. If it's dry, water it. If it's wet, you're either overwatering or the soil doesn't drain efficiently. Other signs of too much watering include leaves that seem soft, inner and lower leaves turning yellow, foliage appearing scorched, and leaf drop. Plants that actually have too little water have similar symptoms, but also include new growth may be smaller than normal, wilted foliage, folded or misshapen foliage, dull gray-green foliage, and leaves that appear brittle. There's a fine line between a plant receiving too much or too little water and how much you water them, so it depends on the home environment. To determine when to water, stick your finger about an inch deep into the soil. If it is absolutely bone dry, it may be time to water the plant. Take it to the sink and slowly pour water over the soil and keep pouring until the pot feels heavy and the water drains from the bottom. Always allow your houseplant to drain completely before putting it back on its tray. To make sure your plant has drained efficiently, tilt it at an angle. The chances are good that more water will drip out. This is known as perched water. You need to let it drain to keep the roots healthy. How about light for your plants? It's important to understand that different plants require different levels of light. Most houseplants' origins are from tropical regions. They typically thrive in a rainforest understory, receiving filtered sunlight through the leaves of the tall trees. Some houseplants, however, thrive in more light than others. The easiest way to determine how much light your plant needs is to place it in an area in your home and keep an eye on it for a couple of weeks. If it seems to be thriving, then leave it alone. If not, move it to another area in your home that either has more or less light, but not direct sunlight. Keep moving it, and over time, you'll find the ideal spot for it. Symptoms of plants with insufficient light include leaves that curl up, new growth that remains small, the plant is reaching towards the source of the light, and falling leaves. Symptoms of too much light, scorched leaves, leaves that appear to have been bleached, and lipness. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, post any questions or comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. I post new content regularly. If you found this video interesting, you may want to watch these other two, trends in kitchen and flooring, so stay tuned. I have more helpful videos like this coming soon. Please reach out to me for any of your real estate questions and needs, and I wish you all the best on your home journey.